Today, let's talk about a big question. Can we get faster than light? I mean, who hasn't dreamed of visiting faraway galaxy in no time? Imagine going to Mars for lunch and another galaxy for dinner. Sound amazing, right? But there's a catch. Light travels at 300,000 kilometers per second, and it looks like this is the universe speed limit. Still, scientists have some wild ideas about how it might break, or at least bend this rule. So get ready, let's check out some of the craziest theories out there.
Before we dive into futuristic theories, let's quickly explain why light's speed is such a big deal. According to Einstein's theories of special relativity, the speed of light in a vacuum is constant. It's always the same, no matter who's observing it, but here's where it gets tricky. Something as mass moving close to the speed of light makes things difficult. Why? Because the faster something goes, the more energy you need to make it go even faster.
And according to this equation, so E equals mc squared divided by square root of 1 minus t squared divided by c squared. So as your speed v gets closer to the speed of light c, the denominator in that equation approaches to zero. This makes the required energy shoot up to infinity. In other words, you'd need infinite energy to reach up the speed of light. And infinite energy just doesn't exist. So yeah, going at the speed of the light seems impossible. But what about faster than light? Well, hold on. There are a few interesting ideas that could, in theory, help us cheat the universe speed limits.
First, let's talk about tokens. They are imaginary particles that are special because they will always move faster than light. Sounds amazing, right? The problem, if tokens were real, they would mess up the idea of cause and effect. Picture sending a message before you even through of writing it. It might sound fun, but it would create huge time travel problems and make the universe very confusing. Not very useful.
We can also use wormholes. So essentially shortcuts through spacetime. Imagine folding a piece of paper in half so that two distant points touch. Then punching a hole through it. That hole will be a wormhole, allowing you to travel instantly from one point to another, bypassing light speed entirely. Sounds amazing, right?
But there's a catch. We don't even know if wormholes can exist, and even if they do, they'd probably collapse as soon as something tries to go through them, unless you add, you guess it's, a ton of negative energy. So while wormholes make great science fiction stories, they are not something we can actually use. According to all the theories we have seen before, can we go faster than light? The answer is no. It's impossible. Thanks for watching.